Walesi was launched in December 2017, and now 95% of Fijian households are covered by the transmission and are using UHF antennas and set-top boxes to receive television broadcast. The remaining 5% of the community in remote and maritime areas are covered by satellite communications. Walesi offers 8 digital quality free-to-air channels for the communities across Fiji. FBC TV, Fiji One, FBC Sports, My TV, Channel 2, FBC 2, the Parliament Channel and the Hope Channel. To date, Walesi has distributed 125,920 set-top boxes. It has successfully completed 347 community halls in remote and maritime areas. And in June 2018, the app was launched. This app is available on smartphones, both Apple and Android phones, and other devices such as tablets and iPads. The app provides the same 8 channels as digital TV, so wherever you are, if you have a signal, you can sit down and watch the television, which is good for the Rugby World Cup coming up. So if you're in Suva or visiting friends, you can sit and watch the games. The Walesi app has more than 310,000 registered users. And this new deployment we're opening today covers 10 villages from Nyala to Nayuva. And I'd like to thank the schools that are here today, the Wilotua District Primary School, the Nassau Toka District Primary School, Nyala High School, the Wainibuka Primary and Wainibuka Secondary. I hope you enjoy using Walesi and watching the educational shows that are available on the television. The infill site here offers coverage to more than 500 households. And as mentioned before by the CEO, households with less than 30,000 annual income can get a set-top box for free. All you will need is a UHF antenna and a TV screen to be able to watch all the channels. So again, thank you for having me today. This was the very first village I visited in Fiji and is now the first village of my very first official task. So thank you very much.
FBC Sports there, that's Channel 3. My TV, Channel 4.
Immersed in his work, young Chan's face is covered with sweat.
Channel 2, this is Fiji TV's Channel 2. Parliament Channel.
Ordinary Fijians promote
this consistently.
And that's the Hope Channel, ladies and gentlemen. That's the 8 channels we have. Thank you.
Messi,